If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you will gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term position I have going on the USD JPY pair here. This time we are in on a nice in-the-money position here for a buy position, just looking to capitalize on the short-term momentum to the upside and gain a nice tidy profit here in the short term. A simple and straightforward position here with a fantastic risk to reward ratio for everything that is combined together to present us with this perfect storm trading scenario here. As I often mention, guys, you want to let the market present these perfect storm trading setups for you, not to force a trade or search out for an entry opportunity. You want to allow the markets to bring those positions to you and then capitalize on them accordingly with a proper risk to reward ratio, as you see here. A fantastic finish overall with a well anticipated profit at the conclusion of that position. As stated, a straightforward, nice setup there for us. Multiple areas of confluence stacked in our favor to garner us a nice entry with the time allotted until expiration there. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe for more. As stated, this position had multiple areas of confluence, and I actually cover that with the resources in the description below, the top link being the Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering trades, just like you see here, by combining different forms of technical analysis to find these setups. Alternatively, I offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter or exit a trade within a moment's notice, 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting, then definitely be sure to check out the resources below. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there. Catch you next time. Peace. Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you will gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, it's TradeFront.